Who doesn't love a splash of colour? Pink diamonds are the perfect addition to any jewellery collection, and with our Luminesce Lab Grown Pink diamond range, you're sure to find the perfect piece. Pink diamonds are traditionally very rare, but with our lab grown range, you can add pink diamonds to your very own collection for a fraction of the cost. And of course, with Luminesce Lab Grown diamonds, these are the eco-friendlier solution to mined diamonds. Let's make a set of these flower-shaped pieces. The ring is just stunning, and I find myself reaching for the earrings and pendant almost every day. They really complement each other. We also have these cute necklaces with a pink lab-grown centre stone surrounded by a halo of white lab-grown diamonds. Make sure to check out the full range of Luminesce lab-grown diamonds online at luminescediamonds.com.au or head into one of our premium stockists to see them for yourself at Shields or Graham's Jewellers.